Experiencing vibrations while driving can be both annoying and concerning. Vibrations can stem from a variety of issues, ranging from minor problems to serious mechanical faults. In Part 1, we identified the cause of the vibrations. In Part 2, we'll discuss diagnosing the car vibrations and what to do about it. Diagnosing car vibrations. What to do? Check tire condition. Inspect your tires for uneven wear, bulges, or other damage. Ensure that they are properly inflated to the manufacturer's recommended pressure. Test for wheel balance. Have your tires balanced at a tire shop. A professional can quickly determine if unbalanced tires are causing the vibrations. Inspect wheel alignment. If your car pulls to one side or the steering wheel is off-center, have the wheel alignment checked and corrected if necessary. Examine suspension components. Check for worn or damaged suspension parts. Look for leaking shocks or struts, worn bushings, or any visible damage. Inspect brake system. Look for signs of warped rotors or sticking calipers. Warped rotors may cause a pulsing sensation when braking. Monitor engine performance. Pay attention to any engine misfires or unusual noises. If the engine is not running smoothly, it could be the source of the vibrations. Check transmission. Be aware of any issues with shifting or unusual noises from the transmission. A failing transmission can cause vibrations and should be inspected by a professional. Remember to come back for Part 3, where we'll discuss solutions for your car's vibrations. Remember, car vibrations can be caused by various issues, ranging from minor tire imbalances to serious mechanical problems. By understanding the potential causes and following a systematic diagnostic approach, you can identify and address the issue, ensuring a smoother and safer driving experience. If you're unsure about the cause, it's advisable to consult with one of RiceTire's qualified mechanics who can conduct a comprehensive inspection and recommend the necessary repairs. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to unusual vibrations can save you time, money, and ensure your car remains in optimal condition. Whether it's balancing your tires, aligning your wheels, or fixing engine and transmission issues, taking care of your vehicle's health is crucial for a smooth ride. RiceTire is the one place to go for your tire or wheel needs, automobile maintenance, and repairs in the Mid-Atlantic region. With over a dozen locations throughout Washington, D.C., Baltimore, Maryland, Virginia, and now Pennsylvania, we are in or near your neighborhood, making us your best local tire shop. Give us a call. We are happy to schedule an appointment to check your vehicle and get you safely back on the road as soon as possible.